Get your business listed the right way to meet credit issuer and lender creditability approval standards. Business credit is credit attached to a company's EIN. It does not have an association with the owner's Social Security number. Business credit and personal credit are separate. Therefore, these scores can diverge dramatically. This credit is in the business's name. It is based on the business's ability to pay, not the business owner's. Since the business qualifies for the credit, when done right, business credit is obtained with no personal credit check required from the business owner. The business owner won't be personally liable for the credit the business obtains. Business legitimacy matters. Lenders want to feel a company is legit before they will open their wallets. Online and offline business listings aren't just for show. They help establish and bolster business legitimacy. Lenders and credit issuers feel your company is the real deal. If they can't find your business, then that understandably makes them nervous. Establishing professional credibility makes a real difference. A business must be legitimate to lenders and vendors. Now is not the time for your business to hide. You need for it to be found by the right people. It's time to work with the IRS. Get a free EIN for your business. Select a business entity such as a corporation, LLC, etc. You can start off as a sole proprietor, but you will most likely want to change to a corporation or partnership to minimize risk and maximize tax benefits. At the very least, go with a DBA. If you do not use a DBA, then your personal name is the same as the company name. Hence, you can end up being personally liable for all business debts. The IRS says, with this structure, you have a 1 in 7 chance of an IRS audit. There is only 1 in 50 chance for incorporated businesses. Avoid confusion and significantly lower the chances of an IRS audit at the same time. Don't forget to get a business merchant account. Now your business can accept credit and debit cards. Studies show customers will spend more if they can pay by card. This also increases your finance options. Now it's time to start the credit reporting process. Go to D&B's website and look for your business. Can't find it? Then get a free DUNS number. A DUNS number is how D&B gets a company into their system in order to generate a Paydex score. With no DUNS number, there is no record and no Paydex score. With the company in D&B's system, search Equifax and Experian sites for the business. You can do this at www.creditsuite.com/reports. If there is a record with them, check for accuracy and completeness. When you start to get credit from places which report to Experian and Equifax, so then they will have something to report on. Let's recap. You can't just put out a shingle. You need to set up your business. This means a separate professional address, phone, and fax numbers, and website and email addresses. Get all needed licenses, get an EIN, and choose a business entity. Get a DUNS number and check if your company has listings with Experian and Equifax. Contact us today to learn more about how to get your business listed the right way to meet credit issuer and lender credibility approval standards.